Hi, this is Olga. In this video, let's speak about if operation. It is an operator which allows to use different commands, depends on condition. Let's take a look here. We create a Boolean constant or variable. It doesn't matter. It is important that it is a Boolean. It is binary logic, and if go here in the first statement in correlated braces if is evening is true, and another day if it is a false. So let's run it and see result. As our variable is evening, we check that it is evening and they have result good evening. Our command didn't go as previous to every string, every line of code, and it is choose only one. So if condition allows us to run different codes, depends on condition. And we can use not only things like that, but we can also use different operation which have a Boolean result. For example, I have now my current time is 7 p.m. and here we can write not is evening, but if time more than 18, let's print good evening. This is the evening start at 6 p.m. have time more than 18, it is evening. 1 again. And yes, we see good evening because current time is more than 18. We can use different operation, more or less. If we want to check that time is exact, like if time is equal to 18, then print good evening, only 80 hours. So if time is equal to 18, then print good evening. And also we can use two other type of comparison. It is less or equal or more or equal. That means that, for example, if our time is 18, we run this and we see the same result, good evening. But if we have only more, then we run this, we will see just high, because time is not greater than 18. Time is greater or equal, it is equal to 8. If statement allows to run different code, depends on some condition, and this condition is always a bool value. You cannot use integer here, so you can write if 18, you will see result. It's not correct. However, it is not shown here, but it is not correct. You cannot write if 18, or maybe you want to write if some string. No, you can't use if string. You can use if only with Boolean value. Try to write your own if statement and see what happens.